welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited to make this video because I have been wanting making this video for a long time. I'm not a professional cosplayer, I cosplay for fun. Before this video, I want to share the best cosplay community app. I bet a lot of you have been using this app. I mean, for people who don't know about this app, this is the best place to connect with people. You can find a lot of community in this app. Cosplay, fashion, every interested you can imagine. My favorite communities are cosplay and kawaii. I also like a lot of other communities. The cosplay community is an amazing place to share and discover the latest in the cosplay world. I remember last year I also introduced this app. Do you still remember? Let me show you the new feature. This feature is you can see how many numbers online. You can click here and it will take you to the next page. And the next page you can chat with numbers. This is like a meetup at conventions where you can make friends who share the same interest. Oh, Katsucon. I know about Katsucon. I have been there before. This is like you're walking into like an anime convention. The newest feature is avatar. The avatar chat is in your profile and you can make your own avatar. The avatar chat it allows you to video chat with other cosplay fans. Yeah, look! The avatar, if I do this, look! Close my eyes, open. This is really fun! I'm going to post a picture right now. Throwback picture. He really liked me and he took a picture with me. And he was going to eat me. So check it out. I'm also in a lot of other communities like the kawaii communities. And next I'm going to talk about my cosplay story. It'll be a long story. There are a lot of to talk about. When I was in China, I didn't know about cosplay and I didn't know about anime conventions. I didn't know any of this. I liked anime but I didn't cosplay when I was in China. After I immigrated to the US, I didn't know about cosplay until I joined an anime club at college. It was my first college I went to in United States. He shows some pictures. I have a photo album and in this album has all the pictures from the anime club. I didn't make it public. Only my friends and people know about me know this. Not all the picture you can share to everybody because you know that because I don't want my friends and I don't want my classmates to be judged by other people, so those pictures are not public. So at the beginning I didn't cosplay anime characters. I cosplay some easy character like Bunny, and those pictures are kind of old. I'll just show some of pictures because there are a lot of pictures. I think I didn't wear makeup. So those people are from my first college in the United States. It was very fun in the first 2 years in the college. All I wanted to do was hang out. Just to hang out with friends and just going out like very often, like every week and every weekends and also after class very often. So those are my pictures. And let's move on to the next. Oh, this one was not covered. I also have some other pictures like to the parties, friends party and winter holiday party. I never share those pictures in like public on Instagram. So if you guys want to see those pictures, yes, I can share with you guys. Like I can make a video to share all those pictures. So I also have pictures from the group trip in San Diego. Yes, I went to a lot of cities. So as I said, in the first 2 years I did had a lot of fun and went to a lot of places, a lot of festivals and other city and traveling and parties, just a lot of stuff. I didn't know about the cosplay convention, like the anime convention, until one day one of my friends just tell me, let's go to anime convention. I was very interested because that was my first time I went to an anime convention, and that was SakuraCon in Seattle. You probably know about this SakuraCon. Look, I have 117 pictures in this album. That's all my pictures from the SakuraCon. That's really a lot of pictures. I was very new to cosplay, so I didn't have a costume. All I had is the wig and some accessories. I actually was wearing like white, pink dress, and that's a cocktail dress. I didn't have costume. You can see that just normal clothes. I was wearing a wig, and this wig was not good. The wig was very dry, and I have to hold my head because it's very long and it's easily to fall. It's not really good to be accessory. I have better one now, and this one is made of foam. Right now I have one is made of plastic. That's why it's better. Yes, I made some friends there. It was very fun. Look at the pictures. I was just having fun at this convention. This was my first anime cosplay. And I also remember I didn't know how to put on makeup, so it took me a lot of time to put on makeup and to glue the lashes. It took me a lot of time. It was very struggling to do the makeup and do the wig because that was my first time to wearing a wig. I had so much fun at this convention. I was surprised that a lot of people want to take a picture with me. I was very surprised my cosplay was not complete. There are a lot of people taking my pictures. I was surprised. There was a lot of memory. I think I should go back to the anime convention. I haven't go back to anime convention for a long time. I should go to SakuraCon. This convention is very big. I was following my friend because I didn't know where to go, and my English was very limited. This was the first year in college, and I have never been to the school in the United States, so it was very hard. And I remember it was also hard like communicate. Sometimes I just didn't understand what they're saying. And here are some more pictures when I went to a festival. Just wearing a pink wig. I don't know if I can call that cosplay. I was just wearing a pink wig. Yes, I went to with one of my friends, and we went to the festival, and this festival was in the Seattle's Internet District. I think the festival was happening in Chinatown, and my friend took a lot of pictures of me there. Yes, the first 2 years of college was fun. So after I transferred to University of Washington, it was not as fun as when I was in my previous college. When I was junior and senior, I didn't go out, rarely go out. I don't really remember what was that festival. Oh, here is some of cosplay selfie I did. Maybe you have seen some of those pictures, and those ones just me like be a bunny and in public. And this is a very simple cosplay. This is me trying shoes, and I was wearing a cat ear. I was doing window shopping with my friend, and we went to the mall, and I was wearing bunny ears. My Chubby's makeup was a little bit, I didn't know how to wear makeup. I think some people have seen those pictures before. I really liked Chubby's. Chubby's is my #1 favorite anime. I really like the character Chi. I really love her costume. I really love her dresses. It's super cute. Look at how cute. It's super cute and sexy at the same time. I like this character. I really like it. I used to have a few photo shoots. Here's another Chi, and this is the darkness of Chubby's. And this one is the Chubby's portrait, and some of them were taken by photographers. I can't remember I did those cosplay. The costumes are not complete. So that's all for this video. I will talk about more in part 2. Bye bye, I will see you soon.